Hello, my name is Sara Blanc. I'm going to explain you how we have introduced Internet of Things in education in the eSchool Garden project. The project was founded by ERASMUS Key Action 201. The full name was School Gardens for Future Citizens and started in 2018, number 050599. We could start speaking about what Internet of Things is. It is usually known as IoT, and basically it is useful to interconnect things around the world. Things are small devices or sensors and actuators such as those you can use for educational purposes. So, our objective is to connect these sensors with an ad-hoc app or with a simple configurable platform in the cloud to display the data received from these sensors. Different edge-cutting technologies can be integrated in a unique project, complete and entertaining. For example, by observing, students can reach many different STEM competencies in mathematics, nature, or arts. Observe is a big project itself because you can build solutions that join programming, electronics, and 3D printing. In fact, we focus on this part of the process, especially thinking of teachers of technology and informatics. However, the digital learning path can be easily extended. For example, data are useful to think and reflect on individual and collective behaviors and the impact they have. While the process culminates with the creation of new things, digital things or content such as blogs, posters, Padlets, videos, and so on. But what we want in our project? We wanted to design a solution already done that can be used as it is, but easy for teachers to adapt and extend. The solution is open code, thus teachers with medium digital skills could reuse our project code for designing new experiences with their students. We have prepared a video for you that explains the connection between the school garden and the Internet of Things. Use this QR code to open our YouTube channel. For the process of observing the garden, we built a solution in a modular way. Each space in our garden is a module, and each module is a new project. For example, observing the humidity of the ground, making a weather station, or making a humidity and temperature controller for an indoor seed nursery or for a compost box are simple ideas that can connect technology with your garden. The overall idea is to develop a project step by step, module by module. And all the modules will compose a local things network that connects your garden with the digital world. Things are small devices we use to read data using sensors such as temperature, humidity, air quality, and so on. Our devices send data to the Internet in an external database in a simple and flexible way to store this data. Data are read by an app built by us and specifically designed to both be educative and allow an efficient observation of our school gardens. We make this project thinking of helping teachers and schools in the future. We offer our results, and of course we can help teachers with low digital skills to prepare a simple experience. How? Following 5 steps which I am going to explain to you now. Okay, then step number 1 is to understand the overall concept, the virtual concept. You can download our Android app and sign in without login or password. You will have a view as a student, a limited role but enough to appreciate different functions implemented in the app. Alternatively, we have a video that shows these functionalities too in our YouTube channel. Second step, go to our web and check the documents content. There are some materials specially prepared about Internet of Things. As I said, each space in our garden is a module, a project. Designing one module is a project itself. We can work several hours along the course programming and building 3D prototypes. In our original project, we focus on observing soil humidity data. But the open code we propose is prepared for any type of sensors. We choose Arduino kits. The code is available in our GitHub. Therefore, step number 3 is to download the Arduino IoT code and use it as main code to develop your modules. Our code is designed for one module. Anyway, just replicate the code in several modules, no problem. All of them interconnect by using the same database and the same app. Now, we have our sensors and the database ready. Then, the fourth step needs to download the app code and adapt it to your database. Again, you will find instructions to adapt the app in our project website. Remember the step number 2. And we arrive to step number 5. Can you help us? Yes, please fill the questionnaire about our app, and of course, we can help you on adapting the app to your school and make it accessible in Google Play. Here you have our contact. Thank you very much for your attention.